Okay, good afternoon. Here we will add another tip. It's how to use the function find and replace for a word or an expression in Excel or in Word. I will open here an Excel file with graphics. Okay, so here I have documents that are, or graphics that are part on a long document, but they are separated, and as I told you before, it's better to translate them separately and to add them to the document translated. One important point for this kind of graph is that you have words that are repeated. And for example, ici construction, information, communication, administration, and I would like to translate all these in one movement. And so for that, I will take the function buscar y seleccionar here and reemplazar. And I will tell the program, cámbiame all the tion with T-I-O-N, because they say administración, comunicación, all these words in Spanish. If you change that letter and remove the little accent on the O, they become English words. So I will tell them buscar todos, and in the option here dentro del libro. So I have all the Excel file here will replace the tion into tion, atención into attention. So I click then reemplazar todos, and tell me we have replaced 11 of these. Okay, accept that, and then you save it. And you can do that also for example, when you have a name of countries, and you have a Peru, and Peru has an U like this, and you just need to change for U that way. Here we probably don't have it, but that's easy. If you have many times the words appearing, you just remove these little differences that way. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I will stop this video here.